Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw, and today we're going to go over how to draw Mr. Potato Head. You know, I saw him in Toy Story, and what else? I mean, he's just a famous character anyway, so let's get going on Mr. Potato Head. Draw his goofy ears, which are stuck on. I don't know if anybody ever had. Did you guys have a Mr. Potato Head when you were a kid, or right now? I had one. It was awesome. Draw a line here. Draw a line here. It's just for dimension, and I draw a bit of a line on the inside as well. Let's see. Let's draw line down for the feet. I'm trying to get everything out of the way and then go into the face. And his other arm will be to his side. Just again, a stiff, bendable arm. Maybe it'll be like a fist, like that Arthur thing. Hey, I'm Mr. Potato Head. I don't know how to do impressions. So that is Mr. Potato Head. If you have any requests, we're going back into the regular season of stuff. It was Halloween month, and I miss Halloween. I love it. I'll probably go into Christmas drawings December, but for November, it's kind of open. So give me some ideas, and I'll try to draw cartoony versions of all that. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you just stumbled on to the channel. I'm going to be posting 3 times a week, if not more sometimes, so I'll see you guys soon.